Hi friends, we have red, yellow, purple, green, blue, and orange. Let's match the pom-poms. Let's start with the color red. We'll find all the red pom-poms and put it in the red part of the tray. 1. There are no more red. Yellow is next. Let's match our yellow pom-poms with the yellow part of the tray. 1, 2. No more yellow. Let's do purple next. 1, 2, 3. There are no more purple. Green is next. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are no more green. Blue is up next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are no more blue. Orange is your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We sorted all of the colors. Let's see what happens next. Oh look, our pom-poms are now red, yellow, purple, green, blue, and orange ice cream cones. How fun! Let's see what's inside the red ice cream cone. It's a red ring. Let's add it to the red part of our tray. And what's this? The number 1. We have 1 red ring. Let's see what's in our yellow ice cream cone. Oh look, yellow rings. 1, 2. And here is the number 2. 2 yellow rings. What's in our purple ice cream cone? Purple rings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And here is the number 3. 3 purple rings. Green is next. We have green rings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is the number 4. 4 green rings. What's in the blue ice cream cone? Can you guess? Blue rings. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is the number 5. 5 blue rings. What's in our orange cone? Orange rings, of course. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is the number 6. 6 orange rings. That was fun. Let's do it again.